We're dropping straight into the action. This is the high-speed heart of America's biggest chocolate factory. Every bean is scanned first. Laser inspection checks purity, size, and quality in real time. High-powered air jets and smart screens remove anything unwanted. Only the best beans move forward. Now roasting, fully automated temperature control builds the chocolate's core flavor. Next is cracking and winnowing. Shells are removed and pure cocoa nibs are separated. The scale here is incredible. Pipelines, sensors, and autonomous vehicles all moving in sync. Grind the nibs and you get cocoa liquor, the liquid base that becomes chocolate. Milling pushes the particles finer and finer. This is where smoothness is created. Robots take samples constantly, and the lab verifies the texture and chemistry. Cocoa liquor is held in smart tanks. Temperature and levels are monitored non-stop. This is where the recipe starts. Cocoa and sugar are weighed digitally down to the gram. For milk chocolate, milk powder is added through a sealed system, clean, controlled, and consistent. Conching is the long, controlled mixing step that builds a silky feel and deeper flavor. This motion drives off harsh notes and transforms the chocolate's aroma. Operators don't run the line, they monitor it, verify data, and keep everything dialed in. Tempering is precision cooling and warming. This creates the shine and that clean snap. Every zone has a controlled heat profile. Tiny changes decide the final texture. Depositors measure exact portions. Every mold gets the same precise fill. Thousands of molds move through here every hour, fast, accurate, and perfectly clean. Robots handle the heavy trays with laser-guided alignment. No dents, no spills. A short vibration removes trapped air, so the finished bar is smooth and glossy. Then it's into the cooling tunnel. Controlled temperature locks the chocolate structure. Inside, sensors watch humidity and temperature every second to keep everything consistent. Once set, the bars release automatically. Clean edges, no cracks. Computer vision checks every bar for shape, surface finish, and defects. Pick-and-place robots move fast, but handle chocolate gently to protect the finish. Filled chocolate is layered, shell first, then a precise center injection. The final chocolate layer seals it all, then back to cooling to lock in the shape. For specialty bars, inclusions are added with measured dosing, consistent in every bite. Packaging begins. Film feeds into the wrapper at high speed with perfect tension control. This isn't one line, it's a fleet of lines running in parallel at industrial scale. Flow wrapping seals each bar tight, keeping it fresh and protecting the shine. A laser prints batch and date codes, full traceability from ingredients to shipment. Every pack is weighed automatically. Anything out of spec would be removed instantly. Final safety inspection confirms every package meets strict standards. Robots load cartons into cases with perfect stacking for transport. Then pallets are built automatically and wrapped for stability and cleanliness. Autonomous forklifts move pallets quietly and efficiently. No traffic, no delays. Warehousing is high-tech too. RFID tracking keeps inventory instantly searchable. Warehousing is high-tech too. RFID tracking keeps inventory instantly searchable. Next, cartoning. Boxes are formed, filled, and sealed without slowing the line. This is the brain of the factory. Real-time dashboards keep production optimized. If anything drifts out of range, the system flags it immediately, often before humans notice. Cleanliness is engineered. CIP systems sanitize lines internally without taking everything apart. People are here for verification and control, always in full PPE, following strict hygiene rules. In the lab, they test viscosity and crystal formation, the science behind perfect snap and shine. That look isn't luck, it's precision control, automation, and constant testing. From the outside, it looks massive, but inside, it runs like a perfectly tuned machine. Finally, cases are verified and loaded, ready to ship across the country. And that's the secret. Massive scale, extreme cleanliness, and smart automation turning cocoa into millions of perfect chocolate bars.